welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Kroger must-do deals video for you that starts on January 19th. It's going to go through the 25th of 2022. It's week 2 of this kind of random, a lot of different types of sales going on, but we've got some really great deals. I've got some freebies and some money makers this week, and they are new. There's new deals as opposed to just rehashing last week's deals, so I'm pretty excited about this. Before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of these videos. And let's see what's going on at Kroger. All right, so we have a couple of digital coupons you want to make sure you download. We've got 4 times the fuel points on gift cards going on through the 25th. You know, if you're going to be grabbing gift cards for Valentine's Day or something like that, you may want to grab them now. Or, like I always say, grab them. Like if you're going to go to a restaurant, get them while they're 4 times the fuel points and spend the same amount of money you would have spent anyway. It's a really great deal. There's also earn 2 times the fuel points for Boost members. So if you happen to be a Boost member, go ahead and load this digital coupon so you can get 2 times the fuel points on anything that you buy. There's also a digital coupon for 10 off on delivery when you purchase $75 worth of product. So make sure you load that, especially if you do delivery quite often. So some really great digital coupons you want to make sure that you load this week. All right, let's talk about a freebie and moneymaker. So grab 2 of the big Simply Soleil razors, the 3 count. Look at the packaging right here. Make sure you buy the right one. There's lots of different Soleils, but the one that's $3.79 regularly priced. There are 8 off 2 coupons at SmartSource 19. It does expire on the 22nd, so we do have a limited amount of time that you can grab this deal. But you can grab 2 of these for completely free and make 42 cents. So that hopefully will happen for you. So I've heard some systems, some regions, it will actually take the coupon and pare it down to where you just get the item for free, and other people get them for like the overage. The overage goes towards the rest of your cart. That's how it works at my Kroger, is there's overage that goes towards the rest of the cart. So I don't know. I've had other people tell me that that is not the case. If for some reason you have a difficulty because it's giving you free items or overage, we do have another option for the big Simply Soleil 3-blade, but it's a 4 count package there. These are regularly priced $4.04. And then we have that 8 off 2 coupon that you can use on that, and that's just going to make those 4 cents each. So if for some reason you have difficulty grabbing free items with coupons, this one you're still going to get basically free, but it's going to be just enough over that coupon price that it's not bad getting them for 4 cents, right? All right, we have a really great deal here on the Arm & Hammer laundry packs. You want to grab 2 of them. They're regularly priced $5.49, but they're $3.50 each this week. So out of pocket, you will pay $7, but Swag Bucks is going to give you 600 points back, or basically $6 back when you purchase 2 of these. Final cost is $1 total, or 50 cents each, which is an amazing, amazing deal. If for some reason you are not already a member of Swag Bucks, I have my referral code in the description box below. Go ahead and join with that. It's kind of a cool little thing. You can do surveys and earn points and things like that. So it's a neat little thing to join, but go ahead and grab that referral code before you head over and sign up. Okay, next deal we have is the St. Joseph's Low Dose Aspirin. Now, my store does not carry the 90 count, so if your store does carry the 90 count, you might actually have a better deal here. But my store carries the 120 count, regularly priced $5.49. There's a 2 off 1 coupon in SmartSource 12.5. It's good for 90 plus. So out of pocket, at least for the 120 count, is $3.49. You can submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. So your final cost is just $1.99 each. And like I said, if you can find the 90 count, you might have a better deal there. All right, next deal is the Ratio Protein Yogurts. Grab 1 of these, regularly priced $1.79. We have a 30 cent off 1 digital coupon. So out of pocket, you will pay $1.49. Then you can submit to Ibotta for 40 cents back on 1. And then also submit to Fetch for 350 points, which is basically 35 cents. Final cost is going to be 74 cents for just 1 yogurt. However, if you eat this yogurt all the time and you're wanting to kind of get a few more than that, I have another pretty good deal for you. All right, so you want to grab 5 of the ratio protein yogurts that are regularly priced $1.79 and grab 1 of the ratio keto friendly yogurts that's regularly priced $1.49. Again, you'll use that 30-cent off 1 digital coupon, so out of pocket will be $10.14. However, we do have a Catalina generating this week. When you purchase 6 yogurts, you're going to get $2.50 back. Now, anything 5 and below is only going to get you 50 cents back, which is kind of crazy how 1 yogurt flips it to $2.50. So definitely worth grabbing 6 of them. Submit to Ibotta for 40 cents back on 1. Now it's just for the protein yogurts. That's why we're buying 5 of them, but you'll get $2 back total for those. And then you can submit to Fetch for 350 points back for the protein. It's a limit of 1 time. And then submit to Fetch for 350 points back for the keto, again, limit of 1 time. So your final cost total is going to be $4.94 for all of these, and or it's going to be basically 82 cents each. So obviously if you just grab the one in the last deal, it's 74 cents. It's the cheaper for one of them. But if you're going to eat these all the time, 82 cents each is a really great deal. Okay guys, I got a couple of different scenarios for the Giovanni zero sugar yogurts. Grab 3 of them for the first deal, regularly priced $1.49, on sale for $1, pay $3 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on 3, so your total is $2.25 or 75 cents each. Now, if you want to do more of these, grab 5 of them that are regularly priced $1.49, on sale for $1. We have $1 off 5 digital coupon, or there's one from Smart Source 1 too. Out of pocket, pay $4, and then you can submit to Ibotta again for 75 cents back on 3. Final cost is $3.25 total, or 65 cents each. So obviously a much better deal to grab 5 of them. We also have a really great deal again on the Phage Total Split Cup yogurts, regularly priced $1.25, on sale for $1. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on 1, limit of 2 times. Submit to Kroger Cashback for 25 cents back on 1, limit of 2 times. Final cost for 2 of these is going to be just 25 cents each. Great deal there. All right, we have a deal on Kraft Mac and Cheese, no sale price, so I was kind of bummed about that, but the Kraft Mac and Cheese this week is regularly priced $1.25. You do have to pay that out of pocket, then submit to Ibotta for 35 cents back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. Final cost is going to be just 90 cents each. If you want to hold off a little bit, wait on that Ibotta rebate, we might see that mac and cheese go down for a sale price of $1, and you're looking at a little bit better of a price. But if you are just needing your mac and cheese, you might as well go ahead and grab them for 90 cents then. All right, Pipcorn. We haven't seen a deal on Pipcorn in quite a while, but we have a couple of deals for you. First, it's the cheese balls, regularly priced $3.99. No sale price, unfortunately, so you're going to pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on 1, a limit of 5 times. Submit to Kroger Cashback for 75 cents back on 1, a limit of 5 times. Final cost $2.49 each. If you don't like the cheese balls, we also have the crunchies, or you could do both deals, that's fine. Same exact deal, same exact price, just changing the product up. And if you're looking for rebates for maybe a bonus on Ibotta, you got a couple of different rebate options. So without rehashing it all, basically the final cost is going to be $2.49 after all of your rebates come in. All right, we also have a deal on the Silk Oat Milk Creamer, regularly priced $4.79, on sale for $3.99. We have $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $2.49, and then submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back on 1, limited 3 times, making the final cost 99 cents. All right, extra gum is regularly priced $1.50. It is still on sale this week for 88 cents. You're going to pay that out of pocket. Then you can submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on 1, as well as Kroger Cashback for 25 cents back on 1, making the final cost just 38 cents. Really great price here. You can also grab 3 of the Tic Tac mints that are regularly priced $1.49. They're on sale for $1. You're going to pay $3 out of pocket. However, Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on 3. It's a limit of 1 time. Final cost is $2 total, or 67 cents each. The Splash. So Nestle Splash Water 6 count, regularly priced $1.89. We have a couple of different digital coupons. We have the $1 off 1, and we have the $2 off 2. So regardless, you're going to pay just 89 cents for these Really great deal here. The coupon does expire on the 26th, so you could wait until the next week's sale to see if they happen to go on sale. If they do, you could have a really good deal here. Body Armor Sports Drink 8 count is regularly priced $7.99, on sale for $5.99, and we have that dollar off one digital coupon that doesn't expire until February 1st. Final cost is $4.99 for these. All right, next deal we have here is the Rise Brewing Company Cold Coffee. Now, the Kroger cashback is expiring today on the 19th, first day of the sale. However, a lot of times when things expire on Wednesday, it reloads on Thursday. So definitely check and see if it reloads on Thursday. So let's talk about this. Regularly priced $2.99. Out of pocket, you're going to pay that. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It's a limit of one time. Submit to Kroger Cashback for $1 back on one. Limit of one time. Final cost, just 99 cents for one of these. All right, grab 2 of the Simulate Nugs, regularly priced $5.49, on sale this week for $4.99. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $9.98. However, you can get $2 back from Ibotta, a limit of 3 times, so you get $4 back there, and submit to Kroger Cashback for $5 back on 2, a limit of 1 time. It did reload this past week, so your final cost is 98 cents total, or 49 cents each. Really great deal. Now check your Ibotta. If you didn't do this deal several weeks ago, there was a 5 off 2. You may still have that 5 off 2 rebate, and if that's the case, you're going to get these for free. If you did do this deal, or maybe it did change, it's 2 back on 1 now. So either way, really great deal. Okay, so this week, I've talked about this last week. I'm really excited about these deals. We have the Save 5 instantly when you spend $20 on the participating products around it. We've had so many really awesome deals on these, and my favorite is the Banquet Classic Dinners and also the pot pies here. So you want to grab 16 of the Banquet Classic Dinners if you're going to just do those. They're regularly priced $1.50, but they're on sale for $1.25. That 5 comes off instantly, making your final cost $15 total, or 94 cents each. Great savings there. You get to eat dinner for less than $1. Really great deal there. Now, the pot pies are also a part of the participating items that are $1 each. So you've got the Chef Boyardee, you've got the Hunts there, you've got the pot pies, either the breakfast ones or the dinner ones. So you've got all those different dollar deals. If you put them together, grab 20 of them. You know, you can mix and match. $5 comes off instantly, making your final cost just 75 cents each, which is a great deal. All right, guys, we have week 2 of the Save 10 instantly. When you buy 2 of these participating products, you can mix and match them. You don't have to buy the same products. I have a video out that I did last week that showed you how to do these 2 deals together and use the Fetch rewards. I'll link that here so that way you can check that out. But here's a couple of the scenarios that are my favorite. First is grab 2 of the Kleenex tissues, on sale for $8.99, regularly priced $9.99. The total comes to $17.98. $10 comes off instantly, and then you also have the dollar off 1 and Smart Source 1.9 that you can use. So out of pocket is $5.98, and then go ahead and submit it to Fetch. It won't get you to that $25 threshold, but it will start to get you there. Your final cost is $5.98 total, or $2.99 each, or basically just 50 cents per box, which is a really great deal. We also have the Scott and Cottonelle going on. I think this is the best deal there is. Grab 1 of the Scott Bath Tissue 18 roll that's regularly priced, that's on sale for $14.99. It is regularly priced $19.99. And then grab 1 of the Cottonelle 18 Mega Roll that's regularly priced $16.99. Your total is $31.98. That $10 comes off instantly. You also have a $1 off 1 digital coupon for the Scott, a $1 off 1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle. Both expire on the 22nd, so don't delay if you haven't done this deal. Out of pocket, pay $19.98. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on 1. You'll get 50 cents back, plus submit to Fetch for that 5,000 points. We did learn that it will not hit that $25 threshold because it's going to take the $19.98. However, you're working your way towards hitting that. But your final cost would be $19.48 total, or $9.74 each. And if you did this deal and the Kleenex deal, then you would definitely hit that $25 threshold for Fetch and get 5,000 points or $5 back from them. All right, we have a couple of these natural and organic 5-time digital coupon deals, and I'm excited. We've got freebies and money makers, guys. This is awesome. All right, let's talk about the first one. So Delicious Cheese is regularly priced $4.79. It is on sale this week for $4.49, and we have a 50-cent off one 5-time digital coupon. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $3.99, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $4.28 back on one. It is a limit of one time, but your final cost for one thing of cheese is completely free and a 29-cent moneymaker. That's amazing. Now, we've known about this freebie for a bit. The Silk Oat Milk, regularly priced $4.49, on sale for $3.49. Use that $1 off one 5-time digital coupon, and you can stack it with a $1.50 off one digital coupon. If you're not sure how that stacks, go ahead and watch my video. I'll link it up here. And you're going to pay just 99 cents. Submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back on one. Final cost is free and a 51-cent moneymaker. Really great deal here. We also have an amazing deal on these high key cookies. So high key cookies are kind of like those low carb cookies. They're really good for keto. Grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced at $4.49. They're on sale for $3.99 each. And then we have that 50-cent off one 5-time digital coupon. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $3.49 each. And then you can submit to Ibotta for $2.40 back on one. It's a limit of 2 times. So your final cost is going to be $1.09 each. Really, really great deal here. All right, guys, we have deals going on for the 5-time weekly digitals. We actually had everything advertised this week. We didn't have any extras thrown in there, so that's pretty cool. But we have so many matchups. I was shocked at how many matchups. I will say the Kroger cheese for $1.47 is one of my favorite deals. There's no extra matchups with that, but that's a really, really great deal there. So let's talk about what else is happening. First matchup, the Always Pads or Tampax. Tampons that are regularly priced $4.69. They're on sale for $4.49, but you can use that $2.97 each 5-time weekly digital coupon and stack it with the 3 off 2 from P&G 1226. Final cost could be just $1.47 each, which is great. I will tell you, take note, there is a 3 off 2 coupon for Always and Tampax that is a digital. However, it only applies to the larger sizes. It does not apply to the size with the weekly digital coupon, so they will not stack together. But you can stack it with the P&G from 1226. So just take note of that. We also have the Dial Body Wash, regularly priced $4.49, on sale for $3.49, and then we have the $2.47 each 5-time weekly digital. Use that and then stack it with the $1 off one digital coupon. Remember, the weekly digitals are store coupons, so you can stack them with manufacturer coupons, and the digitals will work together in a transaction. Your final cost for one of these is just $1.47, so another really great deal there. We also have a great deal on the Silk Almond Milk. So these are regularly priced $3.29. They're on sale for $2.87, but we have the $1.87 each 5-time weekly digital. Pay that out of pocket, then submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. So you can grab up to 5 of these for just $1.37. Great deal here too. All right, another great deal. We have the Dannon Light and Fit. You want to grab 3 of them for this particular deal. They're regularly priced $3.79. They're on sale for $2.99, but they're now $1.47 each with that 5-time weekly digital coupon. So out of pocket, when you grab 3 of them, you're going to pay $4.41, but then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on 3. It's a limit of 1 time. Final cost is $3.91 total, or $1.30 each. For a 4-pack of yogurt, that's a really great deal. Okay guys, if you like this Must Do Deals video, please give me a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your favorite deal is. If I missed one, let me know in the comments. I'll do an updated video either tomorrow or Friday, and I'll definitely give you a shout out if I missed a deal. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye guys.